All right, so this video is on Celsius Holdings, and recently Morgan Stanley came out with some unfavorable comments, causing the price to drop roughly 15%. And we can see that although the price has rebounded a bit, you still have downside momentum. Now, before we continue with the charts, we're going to look at the actual article in which Morgan Stanley made their comments. So again, shares plunged 15% after Morgan Stanley analysts said data showed that the company's year-over-year sales growth slowed on a sequential basis. In its latest note, the bank revealed Celsius market share declined sequentially from 10.8% 3 weeks ago to 10.5% in the latest week. Although the shares is still higher in other services such as Costco and Amazon. Now, analysts noted that robust runway for the company in the U.S. from increasing items per store, improved placement in coolers, and growth in non-tracked channels. However, they also believe the company has difficult comparisons over the next several quarters as it cycles the distribution and velocity growth since the PepsiCo distribution began. All right, so this is really the key, the PepsiCo distribution. Most of the sales come from the U.S., and so Celsius hooking up with PepsiCo distribution channels and system is going to allow them to grow internationally. So this move down is a blessing. All right, price was almost at $100, and in just a couple of days you're at sub 80. Right, so this is a blessing for anyone who wants to get long Celsius. If we scroll out to the weekly chart, I'm in love with this setup here. This is the weekly bias level at $63, and that was formed from this base rally, taking out the pivot high to the left. Some say this is a breaker structure, right? Again, this was once upon a time all-time highs, and so you know that in order for price to move higher, there has to be a significant amount of buyers at this level to push price higher. But not everyone got their orders filled, and so there are still a lot of unfilled remaining buy orders at this level, making this level a huge opportunity to go long. And we are about $15 away, and that can happen on some more bearish news. Just to show you how things look like on the monthly chart relative to this weekly bias level. You had a monthly bias level at $48, and this was resistance, now support, down at $40. But I don't anticipate price getting this low. You have three barriers now, two barriers before price would ever consider getting to this resistance support band. All right, taking it down to the 4-hour chart. It appears that price wants to break the recent lows. 1-hour chart. So you had some profit taken, which is why you had this reaction. Profit taken meaning folks so short, taking profits, had it buy, so price goes up. But again, the momentum is still to the downside. So keep this weekly bias level on your radar, on your charts. Would be a great opportunity to go long. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.